Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson, means of communication. Fill in the blanks. We dash our thoughts and feelings through communication. We share. When we send something by post, we must clearly write the dash and dash of the person we are writing to. The name and the dash is the fastest means of communication. Telephone. The dash is a communication network that links computers all over the world. Internet. We also communicate through the dash on our faces. Expression. Choose the correct answer. Which of these can we buy from a post office? Inland letters, postage stamps, postcards, all of this. All of this. Which of these is an electronic form of communication? Letters, telephone, parcels, none of this. Telephone. Which of these help us to send messages using the internet? Parcels, emails, postcards, inland letters. Emails. Which of these is a form of mass media? Newspaper, radio, television, all of this. All of this. Which of these is used by dancers to communicate? Letters, mobile phones, emails, mudras. Mudras. Match the rows. Name, address, pin code. To be written clearly before posting a letter. Speed post. Costlier than ordinary post. A fax machine. Sends and receives photographs, pictures and messages immediately. Verbal communication. Speaking to someone. Non-verbal communication. Communicating through movements, signs and expressions. Next. Write true or false. We communicate when we sit by ourselves. True. When we send letters and parcels through the post office. We send letters and parcels through the post office. True. Nowadays, very few people have mobile phones. False. In India, newspapers are printed only in English. False. People who can't talk communicate through sign language. True. Answer the following questions. What is communication? What are the means of communication? When we speak or listen, read, write to someone, we communicate with that person. Is called communication. The means of communications are post office, electronic communication, mass media, etc. What is speed post? Does it cost the same as ordinary post? The post office also offers a service called post office, which delivers letters and parcels much faster, and it is much little costlier than ordinary post. Write about two forms of electronic communication. Mobile phones and facsimile. Fax. So mobile phones does not require wires and thus allows users freedom of movement. Facsimile machine can be used to send and receive written messages, pictures, photograph immediately. Okay. Next, why do we use mass media? Name any two forms of mass media. If we want to send messages to many people, we use mass media. Newspaper, radio and television. What is non-verbal communication? Give two examples. Non-verbal communication is when you express your feeling without speaking. It's called non-verbal communication. So example, the babies can't speak but they communicate through cry and laughter. Okay. And dogs bark or wag their tails while cats meow when they want to their attention. These are the non-verbal communication. Examples of non-verbal communication. Understood? For this we finished our 14th lesson, means of communication. Tomorrow we will see 15th, pottery. Thank you.